Why does your scanner show the P2711 engine code? What does it mean? P2711 is a diagnostic trouble code for unexpected mechanical gear disengagement. It indicates the PCM has recognized a problem between the output shaft speed signals and the input shaft speed signals. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Low or contaminated transmission fluid. Faulty shift solenoid. Transmission valve body issues. Mechanical transmission problems. Wiring or connector issues. Faulty transmission control module. Overheating transmission. Incorrect gear ratios. Software issues. Internal hydraulic leak. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Chevrolet, Nissan, Chrysler, Honda, Toyota, and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.